98 Hip Hop is going down. We are in Atlanta, Wutang's New York State of Mind. I'm here with Jimmy Kane, and I got to ask him a lot of questions. This is the first time I'm on the phone reading off the question because so many of them, you know, and just to being a manager of Wutang over the years, so I got to read this because it's like a lot. So I'm gonna get right to the question, because you're a busy brother.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, thank you guys. You know, nice to meet everyone out there. You know, we out here in New York State of Mind tour. Wutang, Nas, Busta Rhymes, and Spliff Star. You know, yeah, we out here in Atlanta right now. You know, but tomorrow we actually got a day off, but we're driving to New Orleans, and then we're going to Houston, I believe. So we waking up every day 6 in the morning, sleeping at like 4, doing it over and over again.
So let me ask you this here. What made you want to pursue hip hop?
You know, when I first grew up, I guess my first album was NWA and Beastie Boys and Run DMC. So, you know, and I lived in LA. That's what we were listening to. That's what I grew up as, you know. So doing that, when I went to college, I started promoting a nightclub to running nightclubs and started bringing all the artists. And all the artists asked me to start managing them. So I started with Crumb Snatcher in Boston when Guru and Premier, and went off to Edo G, Jason, and Slang, formulated special teams. You know, got signed with Sean Price and everything, rest in peace, one of my really good friends. And you know, from there, like Junior Reed, Spliff Star, to Wutang.
Some of us must have watched you, man, because you hold the prestigious of being a manager of Wutang.
Yeah, you know, I've been blessed. We got, I'm only like a part of a machine, you know. In this Wutang thing, it's a big part of everything. We're on tour right now. We got 8 tour buses and probably 50-something people running with us.
So you still have Str8 Up Entertainment?
Yes, I do. I reopened up Str8 Up Entertainment again during the pandemic, thanks to my man Lamar. He said he was looking for me for 10 years, and you know, I got a really good deal with Sony Orchard right now, and I'm giving people distribution deals. And right now in Str8 Up Entertainment, you know, we got Capadonna, Inspector Deck, Young Dirty, Spliff Star, we got Corrupt, Roscoe, Onyx, Razby.
So them not some artists you signed up with?
Corrupt, you know, Razby. Also, we got Draymond, this young kid, Big Nate All-Star from Boston. You know, from the Charles Stewart case. You know, Willie Bennett, that's his son. So, you know, I'm pushing him right now out of Boston. I got him touring with Capadonna and Inspector Deck in the same bus doing this whole tour, bringing hip-hop back into Boston again.
Wow, you know, you see what's on the microphone?
Hip-hop Boston, you already know.
Hip-hop real estate Boston.
Hip-hop real estate Boston.
Let me ask you this, like, you know, you wearing all these hats, and how do you tune in with the real estate and the cannabis now?
Well, with the cannabis, I was the host for Cannabis 101 on the radio station for a couple of years, so I got to meet everyone in the game, and I got all the artists, so I'm about to give them all the strains. I opened up Str8 Up House of Cannabis with my man Big Nate All-Star and a couple guys from House of Cultivar, which is grows for cookies in the West Coast. Now they're growing it for New England, so I just partnered up with them where they're part of our company, Str8 Up House of Cannabis. You know, we got the convenience store opening up. We got Exclusive, the clothing store. I got the studio where everyone comes to.
Staying busy.
Yeah, you know, and we got engineers, producers in there all day. I got the 8 apartments on top of it where we got all our engineers, producers, and artists living there. You know, so we're a unit. We live together. We work together. You know, we bust ass, and we're about to open up a tattoo and a tattoo removal shop. You know,
you got passive income, man.
Yeah, and you know, I also got a gym in Vegas where we just signed Memphis Miller from the Money Team, number 14th in the world. We're gonna take him to the top.
So, what drives your passion and to be able to help some of these young kids out here?
You know what drives my passion? I like to see things start and like to finish it end. I like to see it succeed. So, I mean, I failed a bunch of times, but I bust my ass to make it work. So I like to see the young kids around that don't have chances or that do have chances, that don't know how to utilize the talent or what they have and put it to work. And make them network with other people that they could explore and explode with in life.
What can people see more and learn about Jimmy Kane?
You could always reach out to me, you know.
Where they can find you at?
A lot of if you could find me. A lot of people are scared to walk up to me because of who I am, but I'm just a normal guy, you know. Very humble with everyone, chilling, and you know I love people. So if anything, come say what up anytime you see me. And my IG is Jimmy Kang 1, JIMMYKANG 1, and follow me. And like I said, you know I'm here to help everyone. I got the distribution from Sony Orchard. I could help pretty much everyone out.
I love that. So we're here with Dyme Magazine, man.
Yes.
And Dyme Magazine actually put this together. So one more question. This is for Lenny.
Yes.
Of all the accolades you might have adventured, what's the ultimate goal in life for you?
Ultimate goal in life is pretty much make enough money so everyone in my family and everyone in my team, we could all strive together, and you know everywhere we go we flossing, you know. That's the whole thing. Like I look at everyone in my family, not just immediate, but all the guys that surround me doing music, living with me and working with me together, because that's what builds a family. It's not just like blood family and stuff. It's who's actually working with you every day to have the same goals to reach to the top and help not just me, but help them reach to the top. So everywhere we go, you know, we want people to be like, oh, you guys having a car show? Like, where you guys going? It's like, nah, we're just getting gas. We're going to the beach. That's how we want to, you know, and teach our kids how to do better than us. Because that's the whole thing. We want them to be comfortable and make it better and better to become better than us. Because we made so many mistakes in life where we shouldn't have, so we could teach them how to not to make those mistakes.
Thank you for your time, brother. Appreciate you. Jimmy Kane, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow him on Instagram. And y'all know what it is, man. It's that hip-hop real estate.
Peace, peace. It's Jimmy Kang, Wutang Management, Str8 Up Entertainment. You know, we out here. Hip-hop real estate, we out here. Boston hip-hop, you already know. New England hip-hop to worldwide hip-hop. Running in New York State of Mind tour right now. In Atlanta, you know, with Dyme Magazine and hip-hop real estate. We out here.